here's a list of things that you need to get started to do art like I do. I use plywood, but birch and pine is also very good. That's how it turns out once it's all stained and burnt in. You don't need the expensive wood burner. These all cost me $30 and I got a heap of different tips, even though this is pretty much the only tip I use. However, I have an expensive wood burner because, I mean, this is my living. I burn animals and people pay me for it, so I kind of got to be able to make it faster. I recommend getting some watercolor pencils, preferably a yellow, maybe an orange or light brown. Purple works okay, but basically you're gonna need these so that you can do your sketching. That way it just washes right out. I'll show you. See, I had all the same colors on this one. And you can see just a little bit of the purple left. That's wrong, but a little bit of the purple left on this one. So I recommend sticking to your warm tones. They wash out a lot better. Recycled wood also works if you would like a more rustic look. Don't feel like you have to stick to stock standard. I never do. Oh, wood stains. Now here's where things can get a little bit pricey. Wood stains like this can cost like $50 a jar, but Feast Watson has these little gems. And you can get lots and lots of different colors in small amounts. I get my palettes from the dollar store. This one still has the sticker on it. And for unusual colors, reactivated watercolor paints is what you want. Now, what is reactivated? I get asked a lot. I haven't touched this side of the palette in over a year. Now look at this magic. Doesn't matter how long it's been since you've added water to it, it will reactivate and you can still use the color. Now why is this important? I hear you asking. Your cheaper watercolors will actually sit on top of the wood and not absorb into it. So when you go to put your varnish on, you'll get a smear. I might put a clip in here to show you a good smear. I recently did it on my frog. This is what I seal my work with. You probably could get away with a spray if you wanted to, but this just feels nicer on the wood. Skills like this don't happen overnight. This is at least 5 years of practicing, and this is 40 hours of burning. So it takes time and practice to get to this level, and I just hope that you fall in love with it like I did. And then you get bloody good and we can be friends. Feel free to tag me in your videos and show me what you do. I want to see.